Hello guys! From a magic button to a cool router, we will take a look at the best gadgets you can buy. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the video till the end to see all the gadgets. Dismug is a stylish and compact device perfect for your car, desk or backpack. It sanitizes everything from keys and masks to credit cards and smartphones with its 360-degree UV light. The device comes in two modes, which are 45 seconds and the 12-minute sanitation mode. Moreover, it features a special holder for cards and pens and is also easy to charge. Ready to conveniently sanitize? Try it today and support the makers. Turn your iPad into a wireless display for your PC with this product and make your remote work life much easier. Choose a USB-C or HDMI connector to set it up in seconds. It works instantly over your Wi-Fi, and you can also opt for a USB connection, delivering incredible image quality and no lag. This display for Windows feels like a natural extension. This iPad PC display is certainly worth a shot, so try it out for $80. Take your photography and videography up a level with this device. Providing big budget, it looks at a lower price point. Instantly apply animations, use sound reactive effects, dynamic moods and movie looks from your phone or DMX software. The connected app makes it easy to choose lighting presets, adjust brightness, color temperature and other effects. You can choose from 20-inch to 40-inch lengths, and its sleek design, durability, resistance to weather, along with its 4-hour battery life adds to its perfection. Ready to make a new movie? Buy it today for $287.67. Create a peaceful heaven with the Sia Smart Animated Lamp. It allows you to choose and customize 25 different effects, from a campfire to a lava lamp to a forest and more. This animated light also features an alarm function, so you'll be able to choose just how you want to get up in the morning. This lamp also has a built-in microphone that processes the surrounding sounds and turns it into visual light. You can choose the effect, customize the scale, speed and brightness, all by connecting to the app. And endless options are right at your fingertips. Overwhelmed already? Pre-order it now for just $100. The Toady autonomous lawn robot is intelligent. How? It's powered by artificial intelligence, making it not just smarter than the rest but a class of its own. It doesn't even need a perimeter to find its way around your yard. Instead, it uses a camera and artificial intelligence to do so. Toady recognizes objects and animals to avoid them and uses mulching technology to keep your grass continually short and healthy. What's more, Toady mows in straight lines, though it can handle curved areas and it tackles hills which are up to 45% incline. With free lifetime updates, this robot will also mow borders in the future. Finally, set up a multiple zone and guards at night so Toady knows where the areas to cater to. Skeptical? Try it yourself for $2,989. Device charging is an inevitable and boring task, but you can make it easy with the CIO 65-watt GAN adapter, powered by gallium nitride, delivering an amazing 65 watts of power. It can even charge your MacBook Pro, and you'll have 3 ports at your disposal. So if the worst happens and your laptop, smartphone and tablet are all out of juice, you won't need to worry. What's also great is that this device is small and roughly half the size of a credit card, so you don't need to stress about carrying it with you and finding space for it. It even has quick charging capabilities in case you're in a hurry. Feel like your life has been saved? Pre-order it today for only $40. With rising air pollution and growing air quality concerns, you need something to clean the air in your home. The Airheim Minimalist 6-in-1 air purifier uses 3 types of filters: carbon, HEPA and photocatalyst ceramic, along with UVC LED sterilizer. With these 4 filters combined, the Airheim removes over 99% of pollutants and pathogens in your home air. It has a Bluetooth-enabled speaker, a colour-changing nightlight and bladeless fan, and an aromatherapy diffuser. We love multifunctional appliances, and this one will do it all for you and make your living or workspace better in more ways than one. Give your lungs a second chance by buying this product today. Internet security is important, especially in this digital age when we keep everything online. The IOX Box blockchain VPN device helps in making that possible through a decentralization platform that combines blockchain with VPN services without any hidden fees or monthly costs. You'll have no bandwidth limit and will receive an IOEX Press app allowing for mega file sharing, secured private messaging, file transmission and unlimited expansion for private cloud storage. If you've been looking for ways to make your online activity more secure, you'll want this gadget, so hurry up and try it out. Add some automation to your morning with the Mark Mirror Customized Smart Mirror, which comes with an aluminium frame, a 1080p HP display, and two-way mirror glass. It connects with Wi-Fi to deliver notifications, calendar alerts, sports updates, the weather, and more. It also comes with an app where you can manage all your integrations, including third parties such as Fitbit. It's open source and modular, so build it to your liking for both hardware and software, and explore many possibilities with Linux OS. You can easily access the Raspberry Pi 3B Plus and electronics mounting plate as well. Impressed? We highly recommend that you try it out. Using your phone while you cycle may feel good, but it can be distracting and lead to an accident. That's where the Smart Halo 2 smart biking device comes in. This device provides simple navigation and minimalist turn signals directing you to your destination. It even includes a 110 decibel anti-theft alarm to protect your bike and powerful front lights to keep things lit. You'll even get a built-in activity tracker that monitors your cycling metrics like your speed, distance and calories burned. Connected to your smart home, it will update you on weather conditions and will notify you of incoming messages. Pre-order it for $119 and make cycling a bit more fun. Featuring a lanyard and a strong neodyme magnet, UCAS lets you place your smartphone right on your chest. Designed to be worn under your shirt, the strong magnet keeps your device in place, giving the effect that it's floating. The lanyard is adjustable in length, so you can place your device where you need it to, offering a truly hands-free experience, and even unclip it easily to attach it to any other metal surface. Transform your smartphone into a body cam instantly to take stationary photos and videos, or even grab footage on the move. It's that easy. Pre-order it now for just $15. Why wear a plain timepiece when you can have a piece of art? This mechanical watch doesn't include any pre-made parts, which means yours will be unique. Beyond the style of the vertically brushed stainless steel case and gunmetal plating, this artistic watch has a special, almost steampunk design. It offers 3 different sapphire crystal windows that show you the hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. Breaking these up into distinct parts is uncommon, making your watch just for you. Furthermore, it offers 80 hours of power reserve, making it powerfully unique. Conventionally charge all your devices with the Power Vessel Swing. All-in-one universal charger offers 130 watts max, powering your laptop, smartphones and more. The Power Vessel Swing is compatible with a wide range of devices including MS Surface, MacBook, Nintendo Switch and other PD products. Complete with QC 3.0, the device charges at an exceptionally fast rate. The Power Vessel Swing comes with an integrated swing stand, enabling you to position it upright as well. Connect the USB cable to any of the QC 3.0 charging ports for fast and efficient charging. Buy it now and power up your devices for just $69. Have you ever been embarrassed by a family member interrupting a very important video conference? If you face this issue, then you have a solution for that. Designed for virtual calls, the MuteMe illuminated mute button ensures you and others know when you are and aren't muted through its red and green lights. MuteMe sits on top of your desk and works with any microphone, connecting your computer via Bluetooth. It's a lifesaver for students and professionals alike. Excited? Buy it today for just $35. Increase the bandwidth of a congested home network when you have the Netgear Nighthawk RAXE 500 tri-band Wi-Fi router. The tri-band Wi-Fi router provides you with Wi-Fi 6E, adding a 6 GHz Wi-Fi spectrum that broadcasts Wi-Fi signals and connects to 60 devices at once at faster speeds with more reliability. Moreover, it delivers combined speeds up to 10.8 GB per second and a powerful 1.8 GHz quad-core processor for fast connections. The sleek, futuristic design of the Netgear Nighthawk RAXE 500 tri-band Wi-Fi router blends in with the other tech devices in your home. If you're tired of dropping or spotty connections while you work or study at home, then this is a practical gadget that you need. Make the smart decision and get it for approximately $600. Which product did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video.